Here we have a problem on evaluating logarithmic expressions. So in the given expression, we have the product of 3 logarithms, and for the product we have the exponent 3, and one more information we have, that is x, y, z. The variables are not equal to 1. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider the product of the last 2 logarithms. Okay, whenever I want to simplify the product of 2 logarithms, one of the 2 conditions has to be satisfied. So the first condition is the argument of the first logarithm and base of the second logarithm must be same. Otherwise, the base of the first logarithm and argument of the second logarithm must be same. Here the second condition is satisfied because the base in this logarithm is z. The argument of the next logarithm is also the same. So we will be able to simplify the product of these 2 logarithms. So how do we have to simplify? It's very simple. You just mark the part which covers the base of the first logarithm and the second logarithm along with this argument. Now simply remove the part which is marked and write the rest of the stuff. Okay, let me do it. So log x to the base y. I'm writing the first logarithm as it is, and for the product of these 2 logarithms we have log argument y and base x, because we just removed the part which is marked. Then we get the resulting stuff is going to be log y to the base x whole to the power 3. Okay, again we have a product of 2 logarithms. The same condition we have to check it. So what we need to do is we have to check, so that is the argument of the first logarithm and base of the second logarithm are same. Okay, already the base argument of the first logarithm and the base of the second logarithm are same. So we have to mark the part which covers the argument of the first logarithm and the second logarithm along with its base. Now we have to remove the part which is marked. We have to write the resulting stuff. Then we have log. Here we have argument y, the base y. So log y to the base y whole cube. In this logarithm, the argument and base are same. In any logarithm, if the argument and base are same, the value of such logarithm is 1, but the argument of the logarithm should not be equal to 1, because log 1 to base 1 is not equal to 1, it is actually 0. And for other stuff like log 2 to the base 2 equals to 1, log 3 to the base 3 equals to 1. Okay, so in any logarithm, if the argument and base are same, the value of such logarithm is 1, except the case where the argument and base are 1. But here I'm pretty sure the y is not 1, because the question says y is not equal to 1. So y is a value other than 1. So the value of this logarithm is 1. So because the base and the argument are same, so 1, and already we have exponent 3, 1 to the third power. So the value of 1 is just 1. The correct answer choice for this question is option C.